Good day, beloved. Has seasonal allergies and this season giving you the blast? But today we're going to talk about 3 essential oils to not only help with your allergies, but uplift your mood. And if you're new here, I am Danny, social worker and aromatherapist, where I marry the two to help our overall quality of life and well-being. So I am in the Midwest, and seasonal allergies gives me the flux. And we're talking about the stuff that be flying around in the air, just the changing of the weather, and it just does not do me good. So if you're anything like me and you have that sort of fall seasonal allergies, these essential oils are designed to help you with that. And given the season that we are in right now and going into the holiday season, that can bring on additional stress. And with that stress, you need something to uplift your mood. So we're going to talk about some essential oils that are going to help you with that as well. So, and before we get started, I want to give you a definition of what I'm talking about when I refer to allergies. You may have your own definition, but I want to give you a clinical definition by the Mayo Clinic. It says allergies happen when the immune system reacts to a foreign substance that gets inside the body. These substances are known as allergens. They include pollen, bee venom, and pet dander. Yeah, I can't do the pets just because of that. Allergies also can happen due to certain foods and medicines that don't cause reactions in most people. So we're just talking about allergens today. Foreign substances like in the air that can get or cause us to have certain symptoms, right? And those symptoms can be some what they call hay fever. And you might get sneezing, you might get the itching, you might get the runny nose, you can get tired, or you might get the watery eyes or your nose start running. I get all of that, okay? So that's what we're talking about today. And these essential oils are designed to help support our lymphatic system. You say, well, what is our lymphatic system? If you don't already know, it helps, it is within our immune system. It helps our immune system. And just to give you a little background, your lymphatic system is a network of organs, okay, vessels and tissues that work together to move a colorless, watery fluid known as lymph back into your circulatory system, your bloodstream. As a vital part of your immune system, your lymphatic system protects you from infection and destroys old and abnormal cells in your body that your body don't need, okay? Your lymphatic system functions also include maintaining normal fluids levels in your body and absorbing fats and fat-soluble vitamins so they can make their way into your bloodstream. So, it collects excess fluid from your body's tissue and return it back to your bloodstream, okay? This supports the healthy fluid levels in your body, and it filters out the waste products and abnormal cells from this fluid. It also protects your body against invaders. Your lymphatic system is a part of your immune system. It produces and releases something called lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell, and other immune cells. These cells look for and destroy invaders such as bacteria, viruses, parasites, and fungi that may enter the body. So we're going to talk about 3 essential oils that help support our lymphatic system. So now that you have a little bit of background of what I'm talking about, we are going to get into it. So the 3 essential oils we're going to be talking about today, the very first one is grapefruit pink. And you see the common name and botanical name here. I'm going to give you a little snippet about each. We're going to learn about some safety notes and share with you how you're going to use them, how you can use them. So grapefruit pink is an effective emotional oil. You see me read my notes here. It's an effective emotional oil for a wide range of needs, but it is an equally effective physical needs oil as well. Grapefruit is often used for kidney-related needs as well as a stimulant to the digestive and lymphatic systems. and various internal organs. Okay. And so for our safety notes for this essential oil, because you know I'm all about the safety if you've seen any of my videos, the safety notes for this essential oil are it's known to be phototoxic, meaning to avoid direct exposure to the sun or tanning booths for 12 hours after use on the skin. That's only if you're planning to use it on the skin, y'all. And then you should not be used with kidney or organ transplant receivers. That's why it's important to know what the safety notes are for an essential oil, because there might be some special circumstances for which you should not, or it's highly recommended you use extreme caution when you use an essential oil. So that being said, with the safety note I just read. So that is grapefruit pink. The next essential oil you may have seen in one of my videos I'm talking about is one of my favorites, lemon or citrus lemon. And lemon essential oil, when you think about lemon, think about cleanser, refreshener, purifier, stimulant, and a disinfectant. Okay. It's beneficial for infection, weight loss, mental clarity, breathing, cleansing inside and outside of the body, as well as the whole household. And I can attest to that. I've used it in a car, make my own carpet freshener, have used it to freshen up old clothes that you might have forgot about in the washing machine, to just diffusing in the air, right? Or putting it on, if you're wearing a mask, putting it on a drop on the outside of your mask when you're going out in public. So just something to be aware of. And the safety notes for lemon essential oil reads that it is phototoxic. Again, another phototoxic. Avoid direct exposure to the sun and tanning booths for 12 hours after use on the skin. So that's only if you're planning to use it on the skin again, okay? So that is lemon essential oil. Then last but not least, we have orange sweet. And orange helps balance the thyroid and lymphatic system, making it beneficial for weight loss, treating water retention, and cellulite issues. Orange oil is an effective emotional aid oil, okay? And just a little note, more orange oil is produced worldwide, volume-wise, than any other oil. So that is information about orange sweet. And we'll put that back up here. So the safety notes read, the safety notes for orange says it's non-toxic and non-irritating when used appropriately. For those with sensitive skin, could cause mild dermatitis, meaning could cause irritation, and is slightly phototoxic. Avoid direct sunlight again, or tanning bed exposure for at least 12 hours. That's only if you're planning to use it on the skin, okay? So I do have some of the essential oil here. I have some orange essential oil. Got some orange here, and this is a big bottle, 4 ounces. You certainly don't have to. If you're interested, purchase that. I have said many times I buy my essential oils in larger volume because I'm creating applications and things of that nature. So you can get a small bottle, something about this size, which is a 10 milliliter bottle, which you would normally find in a health food store. And I've done a video about that on this channel as well, how to look for an essential oil in a health food store. So if you have not seen that video, I encourage you to watch that as well. But yeah, so you can get a big bottle if you plan to use a lot of it, or a smaller bottle, which is 10 milliliter of it. And you may be asking, well, how do I use it? Good question. So just for purposes of dealing with seasonal allergies or just to uplift your mood, two things I like to use in that. I like to use a diffuser. I have talked about using a diffuser. I do have a diffuser across the room from me. Right now I'm actually diffusing lemon essential oil. But if you want to use it on your person, you would just simply take 1 or 2 drops of the essential oil, right? You can place it in your hand. Put 1 or 2 drops. This is 1 drop. Rub your hands together and just simply inhale. Make sure not to put it in your eyes or put your hand, your finger in your mouth, okay? Because essential oils are highly concentrated, right? And you don't want to cause anything internally that might not be going on that you did not intend to. So that's one way. I highly encourage you, if you don't know whether or not that you're allergic to an essential oil, is to put like a teaspoon of jojoba or grapeseed oil or coconut oil, any sort of carrier oil, and then add 1 to 2 drops of it. And then once you mix it all together in your hand, apply it to your elbow. And it's what's called a patch test. After 24 hours, if you get irritation, guess what? You might have a reaction to it. You might be allergic to it, and it might not be one for you to use. You can try another one. The last thing you want to do is actually put it all over your body if you're planning to use it that way. And you get a reaction for which you did not intend to. So that is one way you can use it. You can put it in your hand, rub it 1 to 2 drops, and just simply inhale. Again, don't put it in your eyes or your hands in your mouth. That was orange. Again, I do have some, let's have some lemon here. You don't have to get a big bottle of it. So if you don't want to use it on your hand, you don't have a diffuser, you can also use something called a sniff stick. It comes like this. And it has a white stick on the inside. You might have seen something like this, another brand out there that used this with camphor in it. You use it when you have a cold or something like that. But you can create your own, what they call essential oil safe inhaler, or sniff stick for short. And you can apply essential oils to this sniff stick and carry it with you. So when you're needing the uplifting of mood, you can just simply whip it out and smell it. You can just take a whiff. Don't put it all in your nose, people. Just simply smell it and go from there. So I hope this has been helpful for you. It's my absolute pleasure. If there's any concern for which you want considering using essential oil, let me know in the comments and I can see about getting you that information. As always, let us continue to learn, grow, and share together naturally. So again, thank you for watching this A to Z Essential Oil Spotlight series. This was number 9, and stay tuned for the next one. So until next time, beloved, bye-bye for now. God bless you, and I love you.